Now see in this example, a ball of mass 20 gram hits a wall at an angle of 45 degree with a velocity of 15 meter per second. If the ball rebounds at 90 degree to the direction of incidence, calculate the impulse received by the wall. Now see, situation is something is like that. Suppose there is a wall like this and a ball of mass 20 gram is coming from this side whose mass is m. This angle is 45 degree. Now, this ball is rebounding to this direction and this angle is of 90 degree. So, now the ball is going to this side. In this case, we draw a normal to the at the point of incidence. This whole angle is 90. So, this is 45 and this is 45. The ball is rebounding with the same speed. So, the momentum when ball is coming here, that is mv, and when it is going to this, that is also mv. Now, we have to calculate impulse on the wall, this wall. What happened here? Now, first we take to this side, this momentum is here. We take two components, this is 45 degree, it is mv cos 45 and this side is mv sin 45. Similarly, this momentum we take one component here to this side mv cos 45 and downside here mv sin 45. We can take this is positive x axis, we can take positive y axis. Now, see here positive x axis, this much is linear momentum, positive y, negative x axis, this much is the linear momentum. These two momentums mv sin 45 and mv sin 45 are along the negative y axis. So, we can take change in momentum along y axis, we can write minus mv sin 45 minus mv sin 45, that is equal to 0. It means there is no change in, there is change in momentum along the y axis, but it is equal to 0. If the rate of change of momentum is 0, that means impulse is 0. So, there is no impulse along the y axis. Now, we can calculate change in momentum along y axis, x axis. So, we can write here change in momentum along x axis, I am writing here this is x, that is equal to, already final momentum is this. So, that is minus mv cos 45 minus mv cos 45, that is equal to minus twice of mv cos 45. It means minus 2 into 20 by 1000, that is the mass, which is in grams, I have taken in kg. Velocity is in 15, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So, we can take this 0, and here 15 4, that is 60 divided by minus 60 divided by 100 into 1 by root 2, that this is cancelled also here this, and then we can write here minus 6 by 10 root 2 divided by 2. So, this is cancelled here 3. So, minus 0.3 root 2 kg meter per second. So, this is the change in momentum along x axis. This is coming in negative. It means momentum is changing along the negative direction of x. That means force is acting in the negative side of the x. So, now this example here where you have to make the diagram and properly take the components and then you solve it.